If you're thinking about moving to Arlington Heights in 2026, you're definitely not alone. This suburb keeps attracting buyers who want more space, strong schools, and an easier lifestyle without feeling disconnected from Chicago. In this video, I'll walk you through what new buyers really need to know before buying here, based on what we're actually seeing on the ground. Before we go deeper, if you're planning a move to the Chicago suburbs or just starting your research, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This channel is all about real local insights into Northwest Chicago suburbs like Arlington Heights, Buffalo Grove, and surrounding areas, so you don't make expensive mistakes. Now, let's talk about why Arlington Heights continues to stand out. One of the biggest reasons is location. You're in the heart of the Northwest suburbs with direct access to downtown Chicago through the Metro Union Pacific Northwest line. In 2026, with more people working hybrid schedules, this commute flexibility is a huge advantage. You can live suburban life without giving up access to the city. Housing options here are very diverse. You'll find older brick ranch homes, split levels, updated mid-century properties, newer townhomes, and some modern construction as well. Prices in Arlington Heights remain competitive because demand stays consistent. Homes that are priced correctly and move-in ready often sell quickly, especially those close to downtown or near the train stations. As a buyer, you need to be prepared before you start touring, because waiting too long can mean losing the right property. Something many buyers don't realize is how much pricing can change from one block to the next. School boundaries, traffic flow, lot size, and even how walkable the area is can impact value. Two homes that look similar online can feel very different once you understand the neighborhood. This is where local knowledge matters more than online estimates. Schools play a major role in Arlington Heights home values. Districts like 25 and 214 are a big draw, not only for families, but also for buyers thinking about long-term resale. Even if you don't have kids, buying in a strong school district usually protects your investment over time. In 2026, buyers are being more cautious and long-term focused, and Arlington Heights continues to meet those expectations. Let's talk about property taxes, because this is something you should plan for early. Cook County taxes can be higher than what some buyers expect, especially if you're relocating from another state. The trade-off is strong public services, well-maintained parks, libraries, and infrastructure. The key is making sure your monthly budget reflects the full cost of ownership, not just the mortgage payment. Lifestyle is another reason people choose Arlington Heights. The downtown area has grown into a lively space with restaurants, cafes, local businesses, and community events. Many buyers love that they can walk to dinner, grab coffee, or attend seasonal festivals without driving far. Parks, trails, and recreation options are well integrated into daily life, which makes the area feel very livable. Timing also matters when buying here. Spring is still the most competitive season, but opportunities exist year-round. Sometimes the best options appear when fewer buyers are paying attention. Flexibility and preparation can give you an edge, especially if you're not locked into a strict timeline. For buyers moving from Chicago, Arlington Heights often feels familiar but more relaxed. You get quieter streets, easier parking, and more space. For out-of-state buyers, the biggest adjustment is usually understanding local taxes and winter weather, not the quality of life. Another thing buyers should understand in 2026 is that Arlington Heights is very neighborhood-specific. Some areas feel more urban and walkable, while others are quieter and more residential. Knowing what lifestyle you want before you start touring can save you a lot of time and frustration. Renovation expectations also matter here. Many homes are solidly built but haven't been fully updated, which can be a great opportunity if you're open to light renovations. Move-in ready homes usually command a premium, while properties that need cosmetic updates can offer better value if you're willing to put in some work. If you're planning to sell and buy at the same time in 2026, coordination is critical. You want to avoid rushing into a purchase or overpaying because of timing pressure. Planning ahead by a few months can reduce stress and save money. To help with that, we've created a Chicago Suburbs Moving Guide PDF that breaks down costs, timelines, and what to expect when moving to areas like Arlington Heights. If you're serious about relocating, this guide can help you prepare the right way. If you've had a unique buying or selling experience in Arlington Heights, or you're planning a move soon, feel free to reach out and share your story. Real experiences help others make smarter decisions. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We post weekly videos focused on moving, lifestyle, and real estate opportunities across the Northwest Chicago suburbs, all designed to help you plan smarter and avoid costly mistakes.